Welcome to Chitrayan drawing class for kids. Today I am going to show you how to draw and paint easy drawing of festival on oil pastel. Now I draw an owl. So I make the standing line at the middle of the page and draw two circles for eyes. And V. If you are following this tutorial, watch this video till end. You can follow my drawing step by step. Our owl is ready for flying. Let's enjoy with the color. I use here light brown for wings. Light brown. Medium yellow. Orange. Pink, deep yellow, gray, white, brown, deep green, I think I finished my work. My only advice to you, practice every day because practice makes a man perfect. Hope you like this video. If yes, then like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Your support will encourage us to produce new variable instructional video. Again, thanking you very much. Keep supporting us. Have a nice day.